And that sort of coincides with,
Oh, you don't think we're going to get all-time high?
well, we can't, unless there's something drastic that happens with liquidity, we can't get that because we're not getting this up move in liquidity. Like
So
we're
this
just consolidating.
this banana zone is not happening?
It could happen for one other reason. I'll show you in a second. So over here, so one of the things I look for whenever you have these price predictions is what are other levels that are coincided around that part. This might be a little bit crazy, but let me show you. So we have here.
You sure you don't want to expand the chart?
Yeah, I'll go back over here. So we have here these 2 points. So where the candle wicked down here on the 13th and then on the 2nd or something like that. So these areas here, this forms a channel level. And then if we take a look at the parallel level at the top, we had a previous level that we're looking at, which is over here. And then you could even connect this top over here. So we have this channel that's happening, this wide, broad channel where the price moved down over here, up over here, down over here. And so we could potentially go up towards over here, right? And so a move like that, this would be coinciding right around where you see this purple line. This is also my ticking clock. These waves are my ticking clock. Right around here is where I would expect to bounce. This is why I was telling people in our crypto group, 92.9 is where I was expecting to bounce, which looks like that's where the price might be going. Fine. And then a move up to, where is this? This is up to, it says 110. It could go all to 110. I feel safer at a lower high at 106 because even though this price over here went higher than this price over here, you'll notice that the wick, this actually closed over here and this one closed up here. So this is actually a lower high, even though the wicks went all the way up. I sort of don't really count. I count the wicks when it comes to channels, but I don't count it as my price target because that's like it got launched because of liquidation, because of news or whatever. You can't necessarily guarantee that. So if I were to take a look at this, if I was going to expect this level, I would expect this drop over here. So this is where I would expect resistance. So I would expect the candle to rise up to around over here where it's meeting this level here of resistance and then comes down lower. And I don't know if we go down below this level or if we go down further still. So I feel safe with a long up to 106. But this is not our strategy, right? Our strategy, we're not betting on, we don't make our big decisions based on trend levels. We just use those as confirmations for our volume weighted average price. So I'm not, the only trade I'm really paying attention to is our weekly trade, which should be over here at 97.4, and we're looking for how the price moves accordingly. So the things I want to pay attention to, if we do break and close below this trend at 91, let's call it 92, if we close below there, like the price has actually closed there for on the daily, then that's pretty much confirming that we're headed down to the to this 88 level. Then we should expect a bounce right around here. Around this level, should expect a bounce. If we break below there, then we're headed down towards this level over here. But we're going to have plenty of notice. I really don't expect a wick down to that area, but who knows? But I'm not expecting that.